In this video, we're going to take a look at the insurance calculations from the SEC sample paper, and the insurance question was question 11, which is a short question and it's worth 6 marks. So let's take a look at it. So Tom and Michelle have been renting an apartment for the last 5 years. They currently have insurance for the contents of their apartment valued at €25,000. They have been reviewing their insurance requirements to save some money. They have received a quote for contents from BE Insurance Limited as follows: €6.50 per €1,000, and there is also a discount of 25% for online applications. So they decide to accept the quote and apply online. Calculate the cost of Tom and Michelle's contents insurance. So look, their contents valued at 25,000. Okay, so there's going to be 25 1,000s, and so we'll multiply that by €6.50, and that will be €162.50. So €162.50 is 100% of the quote. However, as we read, Tom and Michelle are going to apply online, and when you apply online, you're going to get a discount of 25%. So 25% of €162.50 is €40.62, and that gives us then a premium of €121.88. So that is how much it's going to cost them per year to insure their contents valued at €25,000. So you've got 2.5 minutes to answer one of those short questions. And that is the Insurance SEC sample paper question.